How to view a Facebook story without them knowing on app. First of all, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device and now refresh your homepage by swiping down. This loads the latest stories and ensures that they are preloaded on your device. Next, turn off your Wi Fi and enable the airplane mode on or the flight mode. This disconnects your phone from the internet, preventing Facebook from tracking your activity. Now tap on the story that you want to view. Since the story was preloaded when you refreshed earlier, it should open without any issues. Watch the story just like you normally would. Once you're done, close the story and completely exit the Facebook application from your device. On most phones, you can do this by swiping it away from your recent app list. This ensures that Facebook does not register your view. But if you want to simply pick someone's story, go to the other story and quietly drag your skin to sneak peek the story of the other person. And you'll be able to view what they have posted on their story, and they won't know that you just viewed it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.